introduction and glad. So, Irfana, how much time do we have on the clock?
We have 35 to 40 minutes all dedicated to you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. It's my honor again to be back. Great. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending upon which time zone you are joining in. And if you would later be listening to this, then amazing. So, do you want me to tell you or show you what we are going to do?
Show us.
Great, great, great. And another thing I'll request you, look into the pinhole camera and give me that ear-to-ear smile so that I'll know that I'm not just making you sleep throughout the session. Great Nishtha, great Kenan, great Lippy, great Irfan, great Krishna, great Devika. Kenan, you are logged in from 2 devices. Okay. Great.
Can I say something?
Yes, Devika, please.
I'm very happy to see you because it makes me homesick. You look exactly like someone from Rajasthan, where I'm from. So I'm very happy to see you.
My pleasure.
Devika, is it his mustache?
I'll later on be telling you why I sport this mustache so that you can also think how to present yourself. Great. So, since we have got a very small in-house audience, I'll encourage all of you to quickly share with me what is your agenda of participating in this session. And don't be all clear shampoo or all out mosquito repellent. Okay. Just quickly tell me what's your agenda.
So for me, it's just learning, grabbing more information because I'm quite new to all the new things. And I'm a late bloomer in that sense to start studying now. So just grabbing as much information as possible and learning.
Great. So rule number 1, no sir, no ma'am, no formalities. My first name is Aditya, so you can call me Aditya. If you call me sir, I'll call you ma'am, I'll call you uncle.
Don't call me ma'am.
I'll call you grandpa, grandma. Okay. So it's better you address me by my first name. Okay. I still have got few hair on my head, so please don't call me sir. Okay. Great. So Devika is here just to grab the opportunity. Who else? Quickly.
Sakshi, Maitreya.
Learning new things from you.
Okay, who is this new thing from me? Okay, so we are going to be learning a lot of digital body language. First is raise your hand. Second is, if you do not raise your hand, just shout out your name like Irfan this side, and I would like to contribute. Okay, because this is like your simulation that would be helping you in coming days ahead. Okay, so Irfan, over to you. Correct me if that was you, something new.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, sir. Done. Okay, so I've also got a very good friend and a team member, Lippy Goyal. She's a celebrity. Lippy, what would you like to learn? Just unmute yourself and share.
Hi, hello everyone. So I'm an MC, anchor, and actor, and well, I believe this is focused on LinkedIn, and I've just started getting active on LinkedIn. So I believe this is going to be like a brush up workshop for me as well to understand how LinkedIn works and how I can make the best use of a platform like LinkedIn, which has been there forever, though I have never used it.
Thank you, Lippy. See, so one of the intention of me inviting Lippy is so that you don't feel like, okay, so we are a job seeker, only we need it. Lippy is a celebrity anchor and an actress. And she was also like this, why should I use LinkedIn? So I invited her so that you can all have a 360-degree perspective. Even Alia Bhatt, Priyanka Chopra, Amitabh Bachchan are there on LinkedIn. Okay, great. So quickly tell me, I don't want it like I just snore you to death. So quickly tell me, there is not a PPT session. This is a practical hands-on session. Quickly tell me.
Purania, sir.
Ha, Purania, tell me.
Sir, I want to learn LinkedIn. I want to make a professional relationship between the professionals.
Great. Professional connect. Excellent. Great. Good. Who else? Thanks, Buranian.
Krishna here,
Sir.
Yes, sir. Krishna, sir. Tell me.
I mean, I never had any indulgence in social media or any platform. So this LinkedIn session or anything will help me to socialize myself more in digital world.
Great, Krishna. Great. Sakshi, Nishtha.
Okay,
Can-
so yeah, Sakshi this side, and I'm pretty active socially, but when it comes to LinkedIn, it's just I mean, I just started posting, and I still have to figure out stuff. So I mean, this session for me is probably going to be that. So I'm very excited for that. Yeah.
Great. Yeah, Irfana, you also tell me, what would you like to learn in this session? You raised your hand, Irfana.
Oh my God, I was fixing my scarf. But honestly, I'd also like to learn some hacks, like how consistent should you be in LinkedIn before people tend to forget you. I used to be very active and then I hid it for 2 months and then I'm posting something. So let me know what is new that has, because LinkedIn keeps on updating itself and there's new thing here and there. I am expecting to learn some new tricks from you for LinkedIn. Yeah.
Thank you, Irfana. Kenan, Nishtha, anything?
And
Yes,
Aditya,
Chaitanya.
I just
Please,
wanted to
please.
share with everyone also. I had connected Aditya through LinkedIn. That's how we met each other. So don't underestimate the power of LinkedIn. That's how we became friends itself. Yeah.
Thank you. And most of the invitation which I get is through LinkedIn. Paid gigs which I get is through LinkedIn. Because see, if someone is going to hire you, they would like to see how professional you are, how authentic you are. Okay. So that is why you can get business through Instagram, Facebook also. LinkedIn is because if you would like to work with any MNC corporate, you would like to go out there. Like, for example, why would you visit Tinder? You would like to date someone. Why would you create a profile on job portal? Because you want a job. Krishna is smiling. Ha, Krishna, what's your ID on Tinder? Okay, Cupid, tell me. We'll have an offline session for that. Don't worry. Okay, great. Okay, so now we are going to start with our session, and our session is going to be in two parts. On the first part, I'm going to be sharing with you the desktop or the laptop version, and in the second half, we are going to be taking care of the mobile interface. If you are able to use Instagram, Facebook, or any other platform, then LinkedIn is quite simple. Okay, remember one thing, and this is very crucial when it comes to LinkedIn: have your TG, target group, in mind. Now, I'll request everyone to quickly type it in the chat. What's your target group? What's your target group? Quickly type it. Like, I know Irfana is promoting her business, her programs. So she is very clear that she is looking for two audience. One are the speakers, facilitator, and other are the participants. Okay. So that is Irfana. Okay. Krishna mentioned student. Okay. Irfana, psychologist, also great. Students and event managers, great. Quickly.
So I think Aditya, like our target audience means people who we'd like to get opportunities from or things, people like that, no? So
Okay.
I mean, when is it?
Great.
I don't
So
know.
people who would hire you or you would like to hire.
Got it. Right. Like you want some sort of collaboration with them.
It can be paid or pro bono collaboration. The whole idea is who are the people who would hire you or vice versa, and where can you get business, paid business. Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
And also like we shouldn't necessarily connect with people our age or our friends and all, right? In LinkedIn, like that's not what we should do, I think.
Okay. Excellent question. Just hold on to that. Okay. Before I answer that, I'll request everyone, what is one feature of you are most embarrassed or comfortable with? Is it your face? Is it your voice? Is it your display pic, or what?
What's the question? Most comfortable?
And
Or
most embarrassed with?
Most
Irfana is saying
embarrassed?
deep question, deep. That's quite thought provoking. What is your one feature that you are most comfortable or most embarrassed with? Is it your voice, or is it your face, or is it the way you present on the camera, or what? Now, this is very crucial. Otherwise, I won't be able to guide you and direct you how exactly to customize LinkedIn as per your strength. And there is no right or wrong answer. Because if you are comfortable, then you would switch on the camera and start speaking on LinkedIn. You would start leaving an audio note and start connecting, or you'll start having a podcast. Now, this is very much important. How would you want your audience to recall you? Yes, Devika, please,
Fine.
quickly.
So I would be conscious of the way I speak on camera if I was reaching out to a bigger audience.
Great.
That's what would make me conscious.
Excellent, Devika. So it's your camera presence you are saying. Okay.
Maybe
Good
my
afternoon,
speech, I
Dr.
start
Shahid.
talking too fast. So
Okay. So it's the
Very
rate
good
of speech.
afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Great
Dr.
to thank you for your presence.
Thank you, Dr. Shahid, for again
I
tolerating
was
me and
giving
inviting me.
a great idea about you before you come, and I tell them you are going to rock.
Thank you, Dr. Shahid. I'm sufficiently embarrassed right now. Thank you so much. Great, great. So, okay, so Devika mentioned her camera presence and her rate of speech. Okay, who else? Quickly tell me.
Okay, so Sakshi here.
Yes, sir.
I think sometimes I can tend to be a bit too dramatic or over expressive, which I don't know, works sometimes in my favor and sometimes totally not there.
Great, great. Okay. Now, my intention of asking you this thing is, the first thing I'll invite you to write is, what's your stage name? How would you want people to recall you? What would be your hashtag? Thanks, Lippy. What would be your hashtag? How should people recall you? Like for Irfana, even after 10 years, I would be calling her Great Irfana, the young CEO. I would be calling her the young CEO. Thanks, Irfana. Okay, Devika, now remember this thing. There are multiple Devika out there.
okay, so how to be different?
Unique. Exactly. What is your hashtag? Kenan, remember there are multiple people out there. What is your USP? Okay. Krishna, think about it. How is this going to be different? Think about it, because see, you can create content, but if your content is not adding up to your digital footprint, later on, how would you establish yourself? Only millionaire, not billionaire or trillionaire. Anishtha?
Just starting out slowly.
Think about something unique. Think about something unique, your vanity URL, something which no one can claim.
Sir, Burhan yaar,
Haan.
this mistake is popular one or the unique one? Like no one knows. We have to build that.
Exactly. Congratulations. No one knows and you are building it up. It's like your stage name. It's like your introduction. How would people hire you for, recall you for? And this is something, if today you are charging X amount, tomorrow people would be giving you X plus Y because of that brand name. It's your intellectual property.
So, sir, that brand name include our profession, our interest.
Whatever you want to use it as.
Okay.
Think about it. Okay, professional. Okay, no secret, the devil's angel or anything like that. Something professional tomorrow which people can claim.
I don't know. I thought of Click with Sakshi in two senses. It connects two professions. One is definitely the first that we get is photography, and the second is Click with is maybe something related to my field, which is psychology. So maybe you click with me, or maybe we have that kind of connect. I don't know. That's just what came to my mind. Right?
Congratulations, Sakshi. Excellent example. Now, why am I encouraging all of you to think about it? Because tomorrow, what is going to be your website? What's going to be your hashtag handle? Like in my case, if you are seeing on the top, Coach Sisodia. Now, Coach Sisodia is something which I have been working over the years. It is my digital asset. I have gone to GoDaddy.com. I have checked that is this domain available or not. And later on, people are going to hire me, because what is the first thing people do? People Google you based upon your profession, and later on they pay you and they hire you for your specialization. So think about it. I'm also a psychologist. I'm a coach. I'm a mentor. I have done a lot of things. Okay. Now, coach is something how I want people to recall me and hire me for. Other services are definitely complementary, supplementary, but it's the coach I want. So what is going to be that service? Sakshi, amazing. Next thing I'll request you is go and check godaddy.com and see whether it's not right now after our call, that is it available or not. Claim your vanity URL. Okay. Irfana, I hope I have got the screen share access. Great. So the next thing which we are going to do is I'm going to be sharing with you why this thing is important. Because tomorrow, whenever you are commenting on anyone's profile, in your thought, in your comment, are you using that? So that people will start recalling you, oh, you are from the Click to Sakshi fame. Think about it. Would you like to work with Click with Sakshi? Here are a few of the openings. Would you like to be a part of Click with Sakshi? Here is the link. Think about it, because later on, it would become a household name. Like, why do we call Xerox? Xerox is the name of the company. We do not say, give us a photostat. Why do we call it? Let me Google it. People don't say search it. It has been hammered how you would like to hammer yourself. And this is very important. You can create content. If you are not claiming right to your content, then it's of no use. This is part of your digital assets. Digital ecosystem requires your presence. Think about it. Think about it. Okay. So just give me a minute. I'm starting with the LinkedIn screen. Just a minute. And I would be showing you. Now we are going to get into the LinkedIn power mode. Okay. First thing is everyone just see how Sakshi thought about it. Click with Sakshi. As a psychologist also, and from her profession also. Something which is uniform. And Sakshi, go and see. No one else has claimed this on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, anything.
So we are going with this. We're just going with this.
And make sure you use it. Okay. Because see, if anyone is like, Aditya, I would like to check your work. I just tell them, okay, go and Google Coach Sisodia on YouTube, Facebook, anywhere, wherever I have a digital presence, you will see that. Okay. Like, for example, when you invest in a master's PhD program, you get that doctor title, right? Similarly, if you're in medical study, you get that doctor title. So it is something you're working for, and later you want people to hire you for that skill. So just think that, are you claiming it as your vanity URL? If yes, very good. If not, start claiming it. Because tomorrow you can even give people the license. What do big organizations do? They say that, okay, we are giving you reseller right. You can purchase our license. Every year you can pay us the royalty. Think long term, not short term. Okay, think about it. Great. So I'm just sharing the screen and we are starting. Okay. Now, the first thing I'll be showing you is think carefully. I'm just showing you the desktop version. Okay. First is your profile. Remember, you can start commenting, connecting with people. But the important thing is your profile should be like that, which can attract attention. Okay. I'll be giving you a lot of hacks, but before that, I'm showing you what your profile should be. This is known as LinkedIn banner. LinkedIn banner. Okay. I'm showing you the websites also, canva.com. Okay. Then, how many of you have got yourself clicked from a professional photographer?
No.
Me.
Who is me? See, the who is me?
Burhan here.
Hi, Burhan. Great. Okay. Now I'm showing you another thing, which will LinkedIn itself will say, is your profile strong or not? Okay. So the first thing is head to Canva. Okay. And be as creative as you can be. In Canva, you can type in LinkedIn banner. Okay. You will find LinkedIn banner. You need to simply edit it. Okay. There are a lot of designs. Okay. I use LinkedIn banner and just see how are people promoting themselves. And notice one more thing. Okay. Minimalistic design, how it is written.
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure you have a face out there. Tomorrow you want to become a household name. You want to have a face to your name. So do that. Then the other website is snapper.com photo analyzer. Okay. Snapper.com. The best part about Snapper is it's an AI which has been contributed by professional photographer. It's very simple. In Snapper, it will take credentials of your LinkedIn and it's going to scan your LinkedIn display pic and tell you, is it professional or not? Okay, start using technology. I'll be showing you the LinkedIn social. Before that, I'll show you another. Now I'm showing you the basic one. These are few websites which will help you on your Instagram and other platforms also. Then we'll go. Then remove.bg. Okay. Now in remove.bg, any picture you can take and you can just upload it and your background would be removed.
Okay.
Okay. I'm showing you first the visual part of it. And then I'll be showing you the next content part of it. Okay. Go to LinkedIn banner, select something, go to Snapper. Like, see, Snapper just did it and I can upload another and it is giving me a full analysis. How is the face? The smile is bad. Squinch is perfect. Everything. Start using artificial intelligence. Okay. This is something which you can use on your Instagram and Facebook. And these are all free hacks, which I'm sharing with you. Okay. Remove.bg is also something which you can use. Okay. Now, have a background. Remember, your background is like a highway banner when you're driving and you see something on the banner. And the moment you cross it, you're like, okay, this is the 9-second rule which I'm sharing with you. In the first 9 seconds, your profile should be like this, that even when the person moves out of your profile, that person is like, wow, that's interesting. You need to become your own talent agent, your own talent manager. Outside India, if anyone sees, they're like, what, are you most wanted or someone? And I'm like, no. I've been covered in all these things. Okay. So this is something which people can recall. Then for what are my services? What is my website? What's my hashtag? Okay. This is all designed using remove BG. I took a picture, I removed the background, then I used Canva and everything. I'll be showing you the mobile interface also. Okay. This is there. Then I used my first name and my stage name, Coach Sisodia, my stage name. And then I also have a voice note. LinkedIn, from the app, you have the option to record your voice for 10 seconds. Okay, this is basically where people do not confuse your diction. Okay, common thing would be you put in your name. Uncommon thing would be you are telling them, why should anyone hire you? Okay, I just signed out. Okay. Now, the most important thing that you need to keep in mind is once your content is there, make sure that tomorrow, if a movie or a documentary is going to be made on you, content is there. Okay. When I was talking about the hashtag, these are few of the hashtags. This is available on the app itself. How many of you have not downloaded the app? Not downloaded the app. Congrats, Devik. I could sense that. Who else hasn't downloaded the app, LinkedIn app? I'll take that as a yes. No one in-house has downloaded the LinkedIn app. Please, if you have got Instagram app, then have LinkedIn app also. Okay. It's a professional one. If tomorrow you want to be hired, start positioning yourself. Okay. Now coming back to this is mention everything you are proud of. Just imagine any recent biopic you saw of a sports personality or anyone. How do they start? They start now that this person did not become an overnight success. In the very initial days, like tomorrow, if a movie is made or Irfana, it will go to her early childhood. Okay, what was the first venture Irfana did? What was the next venture Irfana participated? So just think about what are the things you are proud of, you would like to mention. You are proud of, that's important. You might discount as that's not relevant. I was part of a society. What does that? It shows your leadership skill. You bought in sponsorship. It shows your skills. Now, why am I sharing with you? I've worked with a lot of professionals and they discount themselves. And the repercussion is when they're going in for any deal or negotiation, the other person is not convinced because they are not able to articulate their unique proposition, their offering. Okay. Remember this thing. Okay, let me quickly ask everyone, tell me 3 things you are proud of since your childhood. 3 things. Everyone is like, wow, I've done so many things. Where should I start? Okay, let me think that. 3 things you are proud of. Tomorrow, if a movie is made, this is going to be part of your trailer.
Sir, 3 things to be proud of since birth or anything in the
Professional things you are proud of since birth, which you want other people to recall you for and hire you for.
Can I go first?
Yes, Lippy, please.
So I guess now that I'm thinking so much on such a simple question, I believe that I was a tomboy till grade 12, and now being in the entertainment industry, I am very feminine as well as glamorous, and I've learned makeup and all. So that has been a big shift for me. Being a Kajol of Kuch Kuch Hota Hai to probably being a Rani Mukherjee. So, doing that shift in last 8 years of my journey. So I think that has been a drastic change for me.
Great, Lippy. Now see, Lippy is in an industry which is all glamorous. So she is sharing part of her unglamorous side to her glamorous side. Okay. And it's resonating with her current offering. What would you like to highlight? And you can even show evidence for it. This is very much crucial, because when people say, okay, submit your proposal, submit some testimonial, submit some material which would help us to get confident, then what would you share?
For me, it would be all the social work I've done and the children I've worked with in the creative field, like whether it be art or making stuff, carpentry, whatever, that I would be most proud of. And I mean, that is what eventually I want to do.
Okay. So Devika, do we have YouTube links, Instagram pics of that, Facebook page?
I have it personally, but nothing on.
Start publishing it. Start publishing it. Okay. See, why am I telling you, na? Today, what you are creating, tomorrow it will be archived.
Okay.
Okay. You want that stuff to get absorbed also.
Okay.
Okay. People would like to see your journey. Why was this trend 10-year challenge? Because it showed the transition of a decade. What would you like people to think about you, recall you for? What's your specialization? This is very crucial, because tomorrow, if you are saying something that I'm a professional, the first thing person will do is do some ref check, background check, and he'll say, you are a ghost. I don't see anything.
Something to show.
Exactly. Okay. You can say my life is private. Very good. You can say that, but the government has got access to your contact and everything. Even the apps you download, they subconsciously take all your data. So don't say I'm a private person. Okay. Start thinking what all evidence you have. People would like to see evidence. Why am I sharing this with you? Tomorrow, when you will be going in organization with 3G, you have a brand name, but just think about everyone out here, Irfan, Sakshi, Nishtha, Krishna, Kenan, Ali, everyone is on the same podium, same stage. How are you distinguishing yourself? Every quarter, there are so many students. What's your different factor? Like Devika, when you are saying, I want to be a social activist, that is something that I've been living and breathing. Where is the footprint? And this is something. Yeah. Okay. Now, my intention of asking you this thing was just quickly see. And this is something which we put in our LinkedIn feature. On Instagram, we call it highlights. Okay. These are few things which you are going to pin. Something for which people are going to say that, okay, you walk the talk. You are not bluffing what you are saying. Like Sakshi, if I see your LinkedIn, can I see the psychologist and the photographer?
Yes, you can.
Okay, quickly put it in the chat.
What should I put in the chat?
Your LinkedIn URL.
1 second.
Okay, your LinkedIn URL. This is quite important because see, how I met Irfana was, I was speaking in an event. Irfana was a participant. I just heard her for a few seconds. Irfana's name is quite unique. I went on YouTube. I saw her videos. I got convinced. Then, of course, I followed / stalked her on Instagram / LinkedIn. I got the conviction and the confidence. And I was like, okay, I would love to collaborate and work because she is a true professional. Okay, Sakshi.
Can you maybe just type Sakshi Munot, because two different devices and it's a bit.
Okay.
I'll tell you which one.
SAKSHI
MUNOT.
MUNOT.
Yeah, and I'll tell you the first one.
Okay, student at Ferguson.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, I have to update that.
Thank you. Congratulations, Sakshi. Okay, remember this thing. This is quite important. Now, Sakshi, go to Snapper, change it, have a very professional. Okay, I'm giving you a bonus website, remove.bg. Now, if you're curious, okay, what kind of pic should I put on my dating website, Instagram? So here is another website, photofeeler.com. Okay, now this one website is something which will tell you if you are using a pic for a different context. It will, based upon the context, it's again a freemium one. It will tell you what do people perceive. In business, do you appear competent, likable, influential? And other people would be rating you and commenting also. That you got so much votes. This is what people have given you.
That is crucial.
Exactly. Okay. So just go through these. These are few random things. Use AI. Use AI for your advantage. Okay. This is something. Now, again, Sakshi, I need a background cover.
Yeah.
Number one. Second is Sakshi. Okay. Remember another thing. Okay. Whenever I'm typing anyone's name, just see the display pic.
Yeah.
Aditya Singh image is quite clear. Other people, if you, because see, whenever anyone is typing, the first thing is your display pic clear enough or not? Right. Make sure it's right. It's not right or left. Like in case of Aditya Malhan, it's on the right side. Okay. Now, when we go to his profile, it's fine. But when anyone is searching, it's not that good. Okay. Right. These are few things. Okay. And what is the thing that you are typing in? What are the first few letters that are going to flash? Okay. I have written CXO. Now, Aditya Ghosh, board member, Fab India, OYO. What is that first few letters you are going to write? Okay. Remember, this is very crucial. Okay. And this is how you will get an idea how you would like to flash your display pic. Next is, okay, don't mention student at Ferguson. Mention your offering.
Okay. So what do I write here just in case?
Specialization, psychologist, budding psychologist talks about this. Okay. Why am I saying you? LinkedIn is a platform where I'm going to hire you.
Right.
Tell me your specialization. Tell me something for which I'll hire you. I'll recommend you. Okay. Now, see, Instagram, this is there. Very good. So you are a food blogger, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Food blogging, excellent. And make sure your background cover speaks volume about it, because the moment I'm going to be glancing down, it's like, wow, she's walking the talk. Now, another thing, another mistake which many of the people do. Are you seeing Sakshi's messages logged? Only follow button. This is in my case also. Click on more, click on connect, and do this, please. Connect, message, follow.
What? I did not understand though.
Okay. Once more.
What just happened?
See, on Sakshi's profile, and this would be in majority of the cases, you will see a follow button, message logged option, and more. Okay. Never randomly, and do this from your desktop, laptop, not from your mobile device. Go to the connect, follow Sakshi. If I want, I can put in follow, or I can click on connect. I add a note. Okay. Remember this thing. This is quite crucial. Now, why is this crucial? Just give me a minute. I'll tell you.
Sashi is honored here. Getting the connection of Aditya. Is very reluctant to admit the people.
Sakshi, celebrity connection.
Celebrity connection. You look into that, it's very specific.
And Aditya is sending you a message.
And one of
It's
the
very difficult to get Aditya's session.
No, it's a fact. I'll be highlighting that also. Why will I? Why did I send? One is an example, and another thing for this is, okay. So Sakshi, just remind me to tell you why did I write the message. Okay, first let's go through your profile. Before you are connecting with anyone on their profile, few things you need to do. Now, best part about Sakshi is her connections are visible. Now I can easily hack into Sakshi's connection. Okay, Dr. Shahid is there, and I can easily reach out to people. Okay, this is one thing. Next thing which is there is whenever you are connecting with anyone, make sure that the person is active. Okay, make sure that the person is. Don't connect with someone who is a ghost. How do you check that? All activity and post. When I see this 2 weeks ago, okay, and it's Sakshi's own creation, so I'm aware. Okay, so Sakshi is present out here. Okay, then there is a post. Okay, post 2 weeks ago, 9 months ago. See, reason is it's important how many connects you have. Like I and Irfan are connected over WhatsApp and Instagram. Okay, I go through Irfana's stories, I go through Irfana's posts, so I'm aware about it. Gone are the days, like I don't remember last time I called up Irfana. It was only chat over Insta stories and WhatsApp. Okay, how are you connecting with someone? This is quite important. Okay, go through this thing. Okay, this will help you to know. Now, another hack which is there is 290. If Sakshi is a celebrity or someone and I would like to encash on her contacts, what will I do is, oh, Irfana is a common connect. Nishi is a common connect. Savi, Sakshi, are you seeing I'm hacking in Sakshi's network? Okay, that is why the session was known as growth hacks. Like you are piggybacking on someone's connection. Okay, I can do the same with Irfana's Dr. Shahid post also. I'll get to know who are the people who are following. I can use Sakshi's name and have a blank check. I can connect with Irfana. Oh, Irfana, we have a common connect, Sakshi, and she has got high regards for you. Sakshi mentioned me, you are the most humble, approachable person. No, Irfana won't say, no, I'm not humble, I'm not approachable. Okay, use psychology. Okay, use psychology on LinkedIn also. Nishi, I can't tell you, Irfana speaks so high of you. I saw you in Irfana's stories also. Nishi would be humbled also. Okay, these are few things you need to do if you want to have. And this is known as AKA homework, AKA stalking the other person professionally. Okay, you are going through the other person's post and understanding and reading them. Okay, so that whenever I connect with Sakshi, oh, Sakshi, I would love to congratulate you on your food photography. It's amazing. It would tempting. I felt like it was right in front of me. Sakshi wouldn't doubt my intention. She would be amusingly surprised. Oh, you took the pain to go through it. And this is how you are going to crack the deal. Okay, it does not matter how many people you have. What is important is how you are going. Okay, now quickly in the chat, type in what you would like to position yourself for. Quickly in the chat, what you would like to post quickly.
Sir, Burhan here.
Ha, Burhan, tell me.
Sir, I am having a fear on posting on LinkedIn.
Okay, you won't get dislike. Dislike button is still not there. Okay.
No, but I always think that this is a professional platform, and how will the people judge me?
Okay, I'll be showing you profile of a TikTok star also. So don't worry on LinkedIn. Okay.
So Aditya, like right now, I'm not doing anything. What do I post? I will eventually.
What you have done previously. Recycle your content.
Okay.
See, Devika, the first thing is you want to ensure that people are recalling you.
Okay.
You are positioning yourself.
Okay.
Okay, recycle your content. The first step is the...
No worry, every day you'll be having a posters. You have to create about psychology now. You'll be very active. We'll ensure you are... This is the reason we are training you from the...
We will have overload of things to post from our side.
Every day, this itself, you'll have a...
I think today itself, Aditya will take us photo where everyone can post that on LinkedIn and tag you for your wonderful session. Right. So today we'll make this as a post.
Yeah. Okay. And talking of...
We'll ensure we network of Aditya today.
Exactly. Good. And thank you for...
Network is the network.
Exactly. Your net worth is your network. And another thing which I'll request you, remember this thing. Okay, this is very crucial. Make sure you are there on the camera and you are professionally dressed up. You have a professional background. As of now, I have got 15 virtual backgrounds. Okay, remember this thing. The best part I admire about Irfana is she's always photogenic. I have never seen Irfana without a background which is appealing or anything, be it her IG stories to anything. She's so photogenic. Na? Think about it how. And it's very simple, some basic infra. Just see, I have a selfie ring light. Okay. Irfana, even your Logitech camera is the one na, which I had suggested you. Irfana had asked me, okay, Aditya, which camera are you using, which thing? Because see, how are you positioning yourself professionally? Okay, people would hire you, but you need to show the progress and everything. Learn from Irfana. You will see Irfana creates a story around her work. Wow, as an entrepreneur, you don't need to work 9 to 5. You need to work 24/7. You are showing the people why you are the most go-to person. Why should anyone hire you? How are you different? Now, why am I asking you, Statue? Just observe yourself on camera and see, would you hire yourself? Would you pay yourself money? Okay, make sure that it is presentable and it's like very much. And one of the things I'll request you is to participate, speak up. Like, why did I take Sakshi's invitation? Because Sakshi introduced me and she spoke up also. Same with Devika also. Devika spoke up also. Achha. Okay, Kenan, not duplicate devices near to near, otherwise there would be echoing. Great. Okay, have
one question, Aditya, sorry, just to take you back. Are there any colors more appealing than the others in terms of having a banner or something? Are there any particular
so this is for everyone. Google psychology of color.
Okay.
Why is Starbucks logo green? Why is Coca-Cola red? This would help you. And see, remember one thing, use your specialization in your lifestyle. Okay, use your specialization in your lifestyle. Everything, like if you will see me, you will be seeing me wearing one t-shirt only. This is my signature t-shirt. People say, hey, damn it, you have been wearing different. I have got different pieces of it, be it a hood or something. What's going to be your signature attire? Okay. My psychology of wearing this is, why was Mark Zuckerberg and Steve Jobs wearing one? Because they wanted to reduce one less decision. Okay, how are you walking the talk of being a psychology specialist? How are you cashing on this thing? Remember, how are you presenting yourself as the go-to person? Okay, this is quite important. Now, coming back to LinkedIn is, now, why did I show Sakshi one? I have got an invitation from Aditi. Okay, I got it yesterday only. I did not accept it. Dr. Shahid also mentioned this thing. I'll show you. I'm very selective about the people I connect with. Okay, I'll just show you. I have categorically written it down in my bio also. You might be the president or anyone else. If I don't know you, if we are not adding value to each other, then let's not connect. If you are looking to hire a coach for yourself, please send a personal connection request to ensure we properly contribute to each other's learning. I've given my contact and everything. But if someone is giving me a stray one, now, why am I sharing this with you? I have got over 4,000 connections. Okay, it was around 8,000. I filtered them. With everyone I'm connecting, I'm sending a personalized. I'm even sharing my number and my email ID. Tomorrow, whenever that person wants to reach out, they can just go through it. Okay, whomsoever I'm connecting, I'm sending it. Unless I've met that person, I'm not sending it across. It's quite important that you send it across a personalized one. And all my LinkedIn conversation are around business only. Okay, and this is what other people do. Like, I met her in an international event and see, hi Aditya, I came across your profile. We are in coaching in common and thought it would be great. Looking forward. And I could understand there is something to be sold. It's quite obvious. Okay, I'm happy to connect and just see the dates also. August 5, September 9, blah, blah, blah. Here is the program. Would you be interested? Blah, blah, blah. Thanks for you. Not interested. Thank you for letting me know. Another thing. Now, what I do in this regard is I go to the other person. Okay, if I feel the other person is only selling me and not doing anything, I click on more. and where is the remove one? Remove connection.
Okay.
Okay. I don't regret the decision of removing anyone who is not adding value. Now, how can you add value? Okay. This thing is important. And do this before you are sending. Sakshi, what's your last name?
Munot. Munot.
M
UNOT.
Even before you are sending anyone request, okay, don't send it in the first time. Remember this thing. Don't send it in the first time. I just showed you for understanding, because one of the things you would be doing is marketing yourself. Become other person's fan, advocate, and then you go. Okay. Now, how do you do that? LinkedIn is giving you so many options. Okay. Number one. Okay. Use a relevant emoticon.
Okay.
Now, remember one thing. Now, the advantage is if I hadn't sent Sakshi request, Sakshi would be curious. Okay, who is this guy who is admiring my work? I'm beefing up Sakshi slowly and slowly, slowly and slowly.
Yeah.
And then when I have a decent rapport with Sakshi, then I'm going to send her a request. Because see, this is known as strategic networking, strategic relationship. Because Sakshi would be, why is this person admiring? Slowly, slowly, slowly. Because what do people do? They send the request and then they are like, hey, would you purchase this thing? And people are like, no, blocked. Start admiring the other person and then slowly, slowly follow up. Okay. Why do we see the people who have seen our story, our WhatsApp status? We are seeing now who are the people constantly stalking us. Okay. And then we have a soft corner. Use psychology. Have you heard of the Stockholm syndrome? You will be reading about it when you have got soft feelings for your kidnapper. So similarly, the person is priming you up slowly, slowly before he asks you for your credit card details. The person would be like, hey, your work is, and then you will have this familiarity. This book we have got now, influenced by Robert Cialdini, reciprocity principle. In that only people want to reciprocate familiarity. How are you using it? Don't just go. Show that you care about the other person. Irfana, we know each other for over 2 years. Have we personally met each other?
Never. I don't think we even had a phone conversation yet, right?
Exactly. See, purely like this. Okay. So remember this thing, because I generally hate it. Okay. When people are like, oh, Aditya, we are a big fan of your work. I'm like, okay, which work? Every work. I'm like, thank you, not interested. Be specific. What is that? Like Irfana took my class. I generally follow her stories. I told Irfana, I see your Instagram. Hey, hello, I'm off Instagram for quite some time. I told, oh, sorry, I didn't know that. But I generally, then Irfana came back. So this is how a person can understand your bluff and everything. Okay. And use something like I'll share with you. I got the opportunity to speak in DD News just because I did a LinkedIn live. Person was like, you have a camera presence, why don't you go? Okay, this is the intention, how people are getting to know. Now, another thing which I'll share with you is when you're talking about posting, I'll just show you this thing. Okay, this is very crucial. Whenever you are posting, do not post all the time. Post once in the morning, once in the evening. Once in the morning, once in the evening. Okay. And the way you can post it, first is have an image. Have an image with hashtag handles. Okay. Have hashtags on the image also, on the post. Now, this one needs to be edited. These are all my automated posts. Okay. Whom would you like? Put some ... and then put it, because you want people to click your post. And make sure there is a uniformity. Like my morning posts are black and white, my evening posts are colored. Okay. And I'm the kind of person who asks other people questions for a living. Now, if you'll see all my posts, they have, if I'm publishing it, they have a thought to it. How many books do you read in a year? It's something I want to leave people after reading my post. This is something which I do. If you will see, so I have a pattern, and pattern makes you predictable and pattern makes you familiar. Okay. Now, one of the things on LinkedIn is, if you will see, sort by top and recent. Okay. Recent are the things which are done in the last few hours. Okay. Remember this thing. And the people you are following, it's coming. You are seeing. And now another thing, notice. See any post and see how many people are commenting. People react, they do not comment. See, 71 reaction, 11 comments. 71 reaction, 11 comments. Start commenting more. Comment has a higher engagement. Okay. And when you are commenting, it's quite simple. Just tag the other person, use your hashtag and use it. And remember, every post you are doing, how are you positioning yourself? Okay. Now, for example, I know Gaurav Jhunjhunwala. Okay. Now, he came in this thing. Now, the way I'll be doing is, Gaurav. See, now these are few things. Gaurav Jhunjhunwala. Okay. He's on my target list of doing business. Okay. I'm beefing him up. And you know, the best part about this is I met him in pre-COVID. When I had an initial discussion with him, after the discussion, he was like, Aditya, we have met. I was like, I don't recall. Over WhatsApp, he messaged me, and then I saw the WhatsApp history. Oh my God, yes, we have met. I'm unable to. But he was able to recall me. He was like, Aditya, I recall the post we had done. Okay. Now, see, how are you tagging the person and congratulating the other person? This is very much important. Now, before I move ahead, quickly tell me what's your personal development budget and your professional development budget?
Means?
I knew that. Lippy was smiling because I have asked this question numerous times to Lippy. How much are you ready to invest on yourself personally, and how much time, money, energy are you ready to invest on yourself professionally? I never thought about it. How much package would you want? Hey, I'll tell you. This is the package which I want. Think about it. How much money are you going to invest on yourself? Personally and professionally. Personally can be taking as simple as like taking LinkedIn premium services or anything. Professionally can be going out on coffee meetups or offline, or just becoming part of a club or something, or even purchasing some SaaS. Can anyone tell me what is SaaS? Sorry. How many of you don't know what SaaS? Give me a thumbs up. Great. SaaS is software as a solution. Okay. Software as a solution. Take a budget out for yourself. Don't think that, okay, we have invested in this program, done. There are additional softwares. I'll be showing you something because see, you are a professional. Now, if you will see, whenever I'm typing, it is giving me, I have a screen recorder. Are you able to see the screen recorder? The icon on the side?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Video recorder.
Yes.
I have ensured that my professional setup is there. Now, whenever I'm typing anything, are you seeing this word? And then there is a Grammarly icon also. Okay. This is something which I've purchased because I want to ensure the content that I'm creating, it's non-plagiarized, is grammatically correct. Tomorrow, if you are writing anything which is grammatically incorrect and plagiarized, Irfana would be saying, hey, it's better you guys just exit the program. I'm thinking of a century. You guys won't make me even continue for a decade. Think about it. What are the tools you can? If tomorrow you want to be hired, people would like to see professionalism in your work. Okay. Remember this thing. One last thing which I'll be showing you before I use the mobile interface, that is the social selling index. Okay. The LinkedIn Social Selling Index, it's a free resource by LinkedIn. Okay. It tells you how strong is your LinkedIn profile. How strong is your LinkedIn profile. Now, this is my aim. I want to be in the top 1% of my industry and top 1% of my network. And it's constantly fluctuating. Okay. I'm very clear. I want to be in the top 1% of my industry and the top 1% of my network, because this is something which helps me see, builds relation, engage with insights, finds the right people, establishes. And this ensures that LinkedIn pushes you. LinkedIn pushes you. I'll share this link in the chat. Okay. It's a
Is
free
this
one.
kind of like insights into what is your reach? Are you reaching your target audience? Is that kind of a thing?
It's like LinkedIn is telling you, is your profile good enough to be promoted by us or not?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay. Because when people will search you, when your profile would be highlighted, it's going to help you. Okay. Now, why is this important? Because see, I was listening to one of my mentors on Clubhouse. He mentioned tomorrow, before you sell any of your service, focus on two things. One is your awareness campaign, and second is your omnipresence. What is your awareness campaign? People know about you. And what's your omnipresence? If I search you on Google, what am I getting? Now see, I have intentionally put it as 355 and 97 comments. Okay. Now, against 355 likes or anything, there are over 12,000 views. Now people watch this thing. If I want more views, I can share it. Okay. Are you positioning yourself as an aspirational person? And LinkedIn is also giving me everything. Now there are 86 people from TCS, Accenture, Deloitte. Who are the people? Now it's very simple for me. Tomorrow, if I need to run ads, I can do it. Just think about it, how you want to position. It shouldn't be like this. I don't know who to target. Okay. Great. Boran, proud of you. Okay. You are learning fast.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay. Now, Boran, remember another thing. Zoom in on your face. Okay. Zoom in on your face. Okay. I want to see a close-up of your face. Okay. This is there. Now, up till this point, what questions do you have? Because I'm sharing with you the basic things. What questions do you have? Then I'll move over to the next part of the mobile interface.
The feature that you just showed, I mean, let's say 12K people viewed your profile, and then later you show that, people from these certain companies viewed. So is this like a paid feature? Because then I still haven't invested in that, and I haven't seen that part. I'm asking.
Okay. I'm using my organic profile over the last 7-8 years. I haven't invested 1 rupee in LinkedIn.
Okay.
It's totally organic. Even the LinkedIn Live, which I go, it's like a free feature of LinkedIn. Okay. And why am I asking you? Because Irfana did one live with me, and Irfana was like, it's known as live streaming or multi-streaming. I went live on YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. And this was possible because I had purchased the software. And why am I asking you? Tomorrow, if you are going to be an independent person, you need to have your expense in place. You need to be aware about where all am I going to be investing. It's part of your infrastructure. You cannot just say, because then only you are going to ask other person, hey, this is what I want. And person would say, why should I pay you? It's fine. You have seen my quality of work. Now you know how to work. Okay. Start promoting yourself professionally so that you do not feel underconfident. Okay. Any other point you want to ask?
Just 1 second. So
yes, sir.
Since I'm doing this, I'm sorry if it's annoying for the rest of you guys, but just
no, please ask Sakshi. You have also paid. Please, other people haven't paid.
I'm just like very curious now. So,
please.
So Avi, can I show you the mobile version? This virtual background is kind of
switch it off. That is fine.
Yeah, I'll do that because it's something else came. 1 second. Is it changed?
Good
Hi.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
This is
Yeah.
Supriya here.
Supriya, I'm
And
unable to see you with the background. Supriya, you need to remove your virtual.
exactly. I mean to say it's so very difficult because it's with lots of network problems. Okay.
Huh. No issues. See, that is why I'm telling you, become technologically confident. Yes, Supriya. Yes, Supriya.
Yeah. The thing is, I have my LinkedIn profile. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, I'm late to your session. Okay. I was traveling and I have just, I mean to say, entered the class.
Mhm. Don't worry. Movie has just started. Don't worry about it. Okay. Up till now, item numbers were going on in the movie. Okay. Typical Indian movies, Bollywood masala. Okay, Supriya, your voice is disconnecting. If you can switch off your camera and then speak or type in the chat, your voice is getting distorted.
Now is it clear?
Yes, yes, yes. Tell me.
Yes. So what you want me to do? You want me to log in my LinkedIn?
I'm just sharing with you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Just hold on. I have just started. Okay.
All right.
So yeah,
So-
I have. Can I?
Log in. You need to log into my, I mean to say, I have a personal LinkedIn ID.
Nahi, abhi just wait. Abhi just wait, Supriya. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Sure. Thank you so much, Aditya.
Great. Yeah, Sakshi.
Okay, so I might sound dumb. I apologize, pehle hi. But since I'm new to this, number one, now let's say I got 11K views for my post. So I go in and I check Accenture, Deloitte, TCS, and then I get this weird ass Delhi, Bangalore, PCMC area. Now my question being, if I stay in Pune, okay, or let's say wherever. So how do I make it okay? I'm getting a great audience, perfect. But I'm not getting the right audience. So how do I get there? That is the first question. And
Very
the
good.
second is, so this is a random post that turned out to get like 11,500 views. Iske pehle kya tha? 2,000, 3,000. So is that my
Kya tha?
luck?
2,000, 3,000. This is
Huh.
one post only which got 11.
Arre-
How many
arre
people
matlab-
get 2,000, 3,000 views on their post?
But from 2,000 to 11,500, is it just sheer luck or is it timing or is it something that I've done, which I absolutely don't know?
Very good. Okay. Now on Reel, we called it trending themes or trending reels. Okay. LinkedIn is where you are breaking the pattern. Okay. You are making your content go viral. Now, see, trust me, for me, I need to show things which other people are not doing. Now, Irfana is also aware. If you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and everything. On Instagram, you will see I'm doing a 365 days reel concept. Because last year in lockdown, I realized that I cannot meet people, and I realized that, okay, I have a camera and everything. I started using camera to promote myself. I started presenting myself because I know the people who are going to hire me are going to hire me for my face value, for my presence. You need to be consistent out there. It's not a one-time thing. How many times are you going to encash on it? How am I knowing that Sakshi has evolved herself? How am I knowing Irfana has developed herself? When I see Irfana's previous post versus her current, like I remember Lippy. Lippy was like, Aditya, I've seen your reels. On some reels, you have got 200 views and on some you have got 8K views. Okay. Intention is be consistent out there. You never know which post might go viral. Consistency in your theme, in your positioning. In your theme, in your positioning. Now, if tomorrow Irfana all of a sudden she talks about cars, I'll be confused out of psychology. How is she talking about cars? Have your consistent positioning. Remember how you want people to recall you for. Okay, this is very important. Today, if you'll start to hammer yourself, and if you are not consistent, people would be like, okay, I'm having some confusion. Can I trust this person or not? Remember this thing. Your positioning is in your own hand. How you want to position. I know Irfana is a young entrepreneur because I've gone through her digital footprint 2-3 years back. I've gone through her initial videos on YouTube and other places. How are you creating content out there? What kind of content? If you're not comfortable with your face, start going into podcasting. Think about what is going to be your budget. Okay. Now, Sakshi, one thing which you shared, I'll show you something smarter. Just hold on. Okay. Learn how to mirror your device. Learn how to mirror your device. Okay. Be smart. Start using smartphones. Now, I have just mirrored my device. Okay. I'm showing you LinkedIn on my mobile device. Why am I saying? Because when you saw this voice clip,
Sisodia, I'm in the business of raising my clients' awareness. Let me know how you would like to work.
Okay, I could have just spoken my voice, but I added a call to action for it. I'm in the business of raising my client awareness. Contact me to know more. And how do you, Irfana, you want to ask something? Acha, you raise your hand, I thought. Okay, go to the pencil icon and you are seeing this. Again, go to the pencil icon, record a new pronunciation. You are getting 10 seconds out here. All LinkedIn members, you have got filters, first degree connection only. Start to use LinkedIn. Start changing this thing. I keep on changing my profile. Now, currently, I'm targeting the board members. That is why I've put in CXO. Okay, I keep on changing it. It's like this where I keep on changing your current location, things like that. How are you navigating it? Okay, 300 search appearances. Okay, when I go to the search appearances, it tells me where are people searching me from? What are the keywords people are searching me for? Okay, and then what are the keywords I was found for? Business mentor, founder, corporate head, director, MBA. And LinkedIn gives you result also. Improve your future search appearances update. Okay, LinkedIn itself is telling you, I have done a lot of courses on LinkedIn, even without paying to LinkedIn. I'll just show you. Okay. Just move. Now see, license and certificates. Okay. I'm just showing you the courses that I have done on LinkedIn. Just a minute. Mention every course you have done. Every course I have done, I have highlighted it, mentioned it. Okay. Every program I have enrolled, I have mentioned it. For one simple reason, I want to show the kind. Now, just see. Selling with empathy during uncertain times, diversity, inclusion, and belongingness, how to create and run a brilliant remote. These are all LinkedIn sponsored program. Okay. This is all done by LinkedIn only. Okay. All these certification LinkedIn has done. How do you do it? You need to download LinkedIn app and LinkedIn learning app. LinkedIn app and LinkedIn learning app. LinkedIn learning app gives you a program free of cost for 24 hours based upon what interest you have. Okay. All these courses have been done via LinkedIn and these are all the free one. I haven't paid anything for it. Okay. Now the best part about LinkedIn app is, now see, Heba has done hiring this thing. I have liked it. And see, LinkedIn is giving you all these auto suggestion. App is giving you all these auto suggestion. Okay. If you go into the chat, in the chat, let's see Sakshi. Now you are seeing a camera icon. I can do a LinkedIn video meeting, Microsoft Team meeting, Zoom meeting. Why am I sharing this with you is because how are you strategically using LinkedIn? How are you putting yourself, hey, I'm available for a Zoom call, team, whatever call you are. You can leave a voice note also. Let me put it. Hi, Sakshi. Thanks for connecting. A voice note. Remember this thing, send other people voice note. We become curious. Okay, what is this voice note? I need to click on it. Start using psychology. Okay, other person is bound to hear it. Rather than sending text where other person can see and cancel it, start sending out. Okay, look at the plus section. Attachment, camera, video, photo, GIF, mention. I'm sharing this with you because tomorrow when you are going to be promoting 3G program, you are going to be networking with your former peers, seniors. This is how you are going to network with them. This is how you are going to highlight yourself. And if you are not comfortable as of now, in the future, once your program is complete, what would you do? Okay, navigate it. It's okay to make mistake. You are in the learning phase, but if you do not start, what would happen? Okay, just see to this. Okay, getting, and even the posting thing also, celebrate an occasion, share you are hiring, create a poll, navigate it, show that you are the go-to person. Okay, this is very much important. Start learning, what do I need to do? Okay, let me stop sharing the screen. Okay, so before we wrap up, tell me quickly, what's your final message?
Just Aditi, can I ask you one thing for me, Devika? So for someone like me who would be starting, what would be the most important part of a LinkedIn profile which would attract people or get people? Would it be the hashtags, or would it be the name or the banner? What would be most important?
Show yourself.
Okay.
See, one of the biggest challenge which people don't do is they don't put themselves out there. Start commenting. If you're not comfortable posting, start commenting. Slowly start
on LinkedIn. Okay.
Okay, you can start commenting on Irfana's post only.
Okay.
Dr. Shahid post only. Okay. Once you become comfortable, then you can start. Because see, let's say you start posting. It is known as spamming.
Okay.
How would you feel if every day in the morning, okay, let's take Irfana example. Every day in the morning, I send Irfana, good morning, have a nice day. Every day, every night, good night. If I was like, listen, I'm blocking you right now. Same happens when you are posting any marketing or anything. People will block you. First, start commenting on other people. Some of the people who I followed on YouTube when I was in college, today they are my first degree connection, just because I followed them, and slowly I developed a relationship. Okay, develop genuine relationship. If I ask you which company would you like to work for, do you know people in those companies? Are you commenting on those companies' post? Are you commenting on the people out there? Once you will start doing this, people would be more comfortable with you and they'll say, wow, that's interesting. Okay, start commenting, please. Otherwise, tomorrow, you see, Irfana has established her credibility over the years by posting, by commenting, by reaching out, and then offline also networking. Like Dr. Shahid was part of a program. Irfana had attended that program. Irfana asked a question. Her question was quite intellectual. I got impressed. Offline, we networked and we clicked.
Yeah.
Okay. So show up. Yes, Sakshi.
Another dumb question, but
no dumb. Okay. Another part of psychology is auto suggestion. Okay. Don't say anything to yourself, which is an auto suggestion to you.
Okay. Anyway, so yeah, just a question. So, what do you mean by first, second, and third? This is what.
Yes. Yeah. First degree connection is like I know Irfana. Second degree is like I know someone who Irfana knows. Third degree is I don't know you, you don't know me.
So how does LinkedIn get to know that? Is that because you go through
mutual connections? Mutual connections.
Oh,
okay.
Okay, because see, tomorrow when you are going to market yourself, you are going to say, I'm an alumni of the college, I'm a student of the college. You need to connect with former alumni also. You need to connect with speakers also. And don't just add value to them. Okay, Nishtha, please. You're on mute, Nishtha. Unmute.
So if somebody like Irfana ma'am, she's an entrepreneur. So what will her profile look like?
Arey, just look at her profile. You will get to know why you asking me.
Good profile, very good profile.
See, so in case of Irfana, Irfana is positioning herself as an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is someone who is doing business in various verticals. Irfana has got different verticals. She is positioning herself. Irfana is talking on concepts which are important to an aspiring entrepreneur. Irfana talks about her tour. Irfana talks about her business. Irfana shows behind the lifestyle. Okay, because see, tomorrow if you want to be aspirational, how are you positioning yourself as an aspirational? Okay, one homework for you. closely go through the highlights of Irfana next time and just try to observe what is the message intended to highlight this thing. You will see Irfana has a fun side, she has a professional side, and she has a social side also. Okay, just see to that. Why does Irfana post the selfie of the team and everyone? She's showing her team value. She's showing the business one, that if today I'm a young entrepreneur, young CEO, I have worked hard for it. I have got different ventures. I'm supporting other people also in the community. Okay, start positioning yourself. And most importantly, start commenting on your alumni page post, start resharing it, start adding some value. Do not just simply market yourself. Position yourself slowly, and then market. Okay, great. Any final questions you have?
Burani,
Yeah, Burani.
how to connect with the niche or audience which we need?
Okay,
Like,
make yourself niche.
I am having a niche, but my profile is having the connection of my family, of my family's friend. I don't want them.
Remove them. Block them. Simply, no, it's a fact. Yeah. See, ask yourself, who do you want your status to be seen around? Are you doing it for vanity metrics clap, or are you doing it with an intention? Be very careful who are the people you are following, who are the people you are adding in your inner circle. It's very much important, because these are the people who are going to talk about you. You want people that tomorrow when you go in for collaboration or assignments, they do not ask you for FFD. You know what is FFD?
No.
Friends family discount.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Yeah, Krishna.
Currently, my work was diverse and it was never on a single topic consistently.
Okay, Krishna, you just disappeared. Okay. So what I heard from Krishna is, Krishna, please be consistent with your message. Do not change your messaging. Okay, one last thing which I'll show you. This is one way how you can get ample of business from LinkedIn is in Google, type in this thing, LinkedIn top voices. Okay. These are the people who LinkedIn has recognized. I'm giving you the result for 2021. You can do this for 2020, 2019. Okay. LinkedIn top voices, next gen. These are the people just like you. Okay. Every day they were posting. I have seen people making millions over LinkedIn just by creating content. Okay. Now just see this LinkedIn top voices. People LinkedIn has recognized Feb 2021. This comes out anywhere between November and this thing. Ankit, he's a celebrity and I've literally seen Ankit growing in front of me. Okay. What LinkedIn does is Akshay, engineer at Uber, teacher. These are not big hotshot. Anirudh, CEO of Pepper Content. Irfana, I want you on the list. Okay. Bhanu, FinShots. Okay.
The billionaire list. Okay.
Of course, she would be there on that also.
No, because I'm looking for to make trillionaire.
Great, great. Okay. Just
you said to many, right? When someone asks millionaire, only millionaire. So I thought trillionaire.
Great, great, Irfana. Now you have added pressure. Okay. Just go through their profile. Just go through their profile and just see how these people are posting. What kind of topics are they speaking upon? You can follow them, and these are the people who have been done. I know Preksha, she's part of the Delhi circle only. I have literally seen her, how she has positioned herself. She talks about artificial intelligence, candid takes, her feeling, upcoming concept. Radhika also, she's part from Delhi. I have literally seen her just by posting, tagging people. Now see, she talks about Larry Page, Elon Musk, and just because of this thing, she has been. Ragni Das, co-founder of Leap Club. She started with this app, Leap Club, all women exclusive, private waitlist only. And today she's quite Ranveer Elabadi, beer bicep. Okay, I'll show you example of Ranveer. Okay.
Amazing.
I'll just show you a real example of this thing. Just wait a minute. Okay. He's a YouTuber. He's an entrepreneur. Message. Just hold on. Okay. November 10. Just see this. Thank you, Ranveer. Your work is really inspirational. Looking forward to learn from you. That's it. I connected with him. And this is one of the intention why I encourage you, send other person. You will never know that what was the last interaction you had. Okay. And this is how I'm increasing my network. I'm admiring other people. And as the time comes, I connect with them. I comment on their post. Okay. So this is from my side. Any final questions? And trust me, this is a journey. I can go on and on. Irfana has also pinged me. Hey, hello, time up. Cleanup needs to be done. Okay.
Kenan here.
Yeah, Kenan, tell me.
So I had a doubt. So when we go visit someone's profile on LinkedIn, there is already an option of follow, and then there is an option of connect, right? Like, what's the difference between both?
Okay. Follow is like on Instagram, you have an option, follow back and follow. Okay. When you connect, it's like a follow back option. Other person would also get your updates. Follow is like you will only get their update. Okay. Remember this thing, start positioning yourself. How are you positioning yourself? And there is no difference on age or anything. Everyone is using. I've seen TikTokers, celebrities. Check Priyanka Chopra, check Narendra Modi, check Alok Kejriwal, the CM of Delhi. He is promoting himself like anything. How are you promoting yourself? Have a side to yourself. Don't just use it as an assignment that as a part of your program, you need to put in content. Start commenting, start engaging. Okay. Let's say Irfana is there. She's on your list. Start putting reactions on her post slowly, before you become comfortable commenting. And once you are comfortable, then ask her, hey, Irfana, it's pleasure. I would love to interact with you. You should see stories. Irfana is planning to invite Vishal Lakhiani, who is currently not entertaining her, but Irfana is very clear on that. How am I going to approach Vishan? She's positioning herself in that manner. Na? The only reason other person is not entertaining you is because you are not the person that person would like to take seriously. Okay. Think about it. Think about it. Okay. Okay. Over to you, Irfana.
Yeah, so thank you so much, Aditya. I think even me and my dad, we sat throughout listening to.
I canceled 3 meetings.
Oh, sorry, Dr.
Even now they are dragging me one. I said 5 more minutes.
Sorry,
Actually,
this is I think 4th or 5th time I'm keep on learning from you. I'm coming.
Yeah, me and him, dad also, we think social media, digital footprint is so important that we don't miss out anyone who's talking. We know if we are not online, we are non-existent to people. It's equal to being dead. No one knows what you're doing up with life. So thank you, Aditya. And before you go, I think we have our photo pending, which everyone is going to post today on LinkedIn. And please share your experience of Aditya's session in LinkedIn and tag him and tag rest of the group as well. Again, all your LinkedIn assignment will be given. We'll ensure your profile
so at least one just comment of anybody can give. How was the session?
Yeah.
Aditya, the real time, the feeling, what you learn, it's really impacted. I cancel my own 3 meetings. Now, at least 150 people is waiting for me. I said, no, let me finish Aditya.
Thank you, Dr.
This is more important for me than.
Yeah.
That really means a lot. Okay, before you share, I'll just share one more thing. Remember, don't go it for vanity URL. What I mean by vanity URL, don't be like this. I don't have followers or anything. If you'll see me on my YouTube channel, Instagram or LinkedIn, I don't have so many followers. What I believe is in nurturing my existing connection. Remember this thing. If you are like, no, I need to have 10,000 or 50,000, start slowly. You need just one person who would admire your work and make it viral. So don't worry about it. Existing connection, nurture it only. Become a farmer and then become a hunter. It's a concept of marketing and psychology. Farmer is someone who just recultivates. Hunter is someone who does fresh business. Become a farmer. Because one of the questions which I get from people is, hey, my connections are not. That's fine. Start small, be consistent. Okay. Anyone who would like to share their final thoughts?
An eye opener, sir. Okay. Actually, I mean, till now I thought physical connection is confirmly required to elaborate, ex, ex, elongate our connections, but even just online connections are great because you and Irfana were connected 2 years back, but you didn't even met her physically. So physical world is not so important right now because of the online digital world.
Great. Any other learning? Yes, Sakshi.
More than learning, you kind of grabbed everybody's attention from the very beginning, and we're still here, and we're just, by the end of the sessions, I'm like that. So that still hasn't happened. And more about LinkedIn. I did not know LinkedIn honestly is so very important, because very honestly, I did not believe much in it, because wahan se kuch hua nahi or whatever. So but now that the things that you said, they kind of add up, and we will try to make a conscious effort to make it better. So that's my learning from it.
In terms of business, we guys are making huge business in LinkedIn. So prospecting side, most of my guys, the marketing guys, are making good money, because LinkedIn is the only place where we can understand their graduation, post-graduation, the entire profile, right? That the business, which one you will get it other than this. So prospecting is very good in terms of if you guys are looking something. So as he's always said, the niche market, it's always, I get a huge connection from the LinkedIn, whatever I want. It's always, we say it's a 6, in the early years, 6 downline, even you will find Barack Obama. I am connected to so many people in your downline network. Tech, within you'll get it.
See, Barack Obama, start connecting with Dr. Shahid ASAP. Okay. And I'm inviting all of you to start networking with your peers, start presenting yourself, start exchanging notes and everything. Who knows that tomorrow other person might recommend you. And okay, remember one thing. It's not my connection. It's not me who is going to help you, but it's my connection who are going to help you. But that would only happen when I start commenting. Because the moment I commented on Sakshi's profile, people in my network will get it on their wall, and then they'll start commenting. Be consistent. Be consistent.
Aditi, can you suggest us how much post per day or how much comment per day? 2
posts, 5 comments minimum. 1 post early in the morning, 1 post in the evening. Why am I saying is, see, idea is, and don't just post, have a picture to something. Okay, have a picture to something with a message, with a call to action. Okay, make sure you are doing this. And if possible, that is outside this program, check some auto scheduler tools. Okay, take some auto scheduler tools. Many of them are free, which give you access to 2 accounts free of cost, which you can use it, and start investing in some SaaS, because later on it's going to help you. Like, I'm quite aware, Irfana, Zoom is the professional one you have taken, na? Annual membership. See, this is part of the SaaS. So think about it and ask Irfana also. Just sit with Irfana, have a session with Irfana. Irfana, what are some essential tools that you use? What are some essential apps do you use? I remember I was speaking to one of my friends. She was driving, her AirPods were missing from the case. Okay, she was like, yeah, my case is there, but my AirPods are not there. Then on Apple device, she searched location and she got it. And then she told me, I'm paying for the security. And this is only possible when you have your standards and everything. Discuss with Irfana, Dr. Shahid, what are the CRM tools do you use? How do you network? How do you get time? What's your content strategy? And this is part of the homework you are going to be doing. Like when Irfana told me, you're going to be getting LinkedIn. Learn from Irfana, because see, this is the closest you can get to learning someone's secret. Participate in all the workshop. That's all you need to do. I'll request you start networking, because tomorrow, if you want some work, make sure. And before that, next time going forward, if Irfana is okay, like you have mentioned your name, also have your hashtag or something like that. Okay, great. Irfana, any final words we have?
I think that's all. I have taken notes of the resources that you have said. I'll be sharing with them that later on. So I think it's time for our photo. Yeah. So Naveen, please come on camera, and Irfan. Kenan, can you just log out of your other device? That is not. Yeah. Okay. Naveen, are you there? Haven't seen Naveen. Aditya, he's been sleeping in the whole session. So.
Hey Naveen, you awake? Acha, another thing which I'll request all of you is just observe my display pic. Okay, even if you don't want to come on the camera, have a high definition image. Remember this thing. Irfan, can you have some light on your face?
Yeah.
You are the mysterious guy in the image.
Keep me on camera as well. Kenan, you're still, the other device is logged in.
Kevin, just log out from your other device, cell phone or whichever you are there.
I think is it gone?
No, it's still there.
Irfan is still in the dark. This photo is going to go up on LinkedIn.
Social media. Tomorrow people are going to... Supriya, just bend your camera, Supriya. And Supriya is one of the most senior participant. Na? I saw the poster also.
Yes, with the most experience here.
Supriya, you're already a celebrity. I had seen your image, your poster already.
I had shared. She doesn't know, I think.
Come on, Irfan.
Poster was shared in social media everywhere.
That you are one of the most learned participants. So I'll request you and do share with Supriya also so that she can also start tagging. Okay, great. Great, Irfan. Smile on the camera. Make sure camera is at eye level. Smile. Kenan, close your button. Kenan, button.
Okay, I'll also take a screenshot. So I'll say ready 1, 2, 3. Aditya, are you taking one or I'll give you one?
Yes, of course I'm taking. Just hold on.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile. Done. I'm taking one more. Okay. Do find each other, tag them on their Instagram, because this is how you will go viral and write whatever concept you want to write. Wow, amazing industry interface, learned about blah, blah, blah. And recycle it after a few weeks also. And start doing it. So Irfana, is this their first session or is this part of the series of session?
This is one of the first session for digital onboarding.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll request you click all the shots and next time, please, Naveen, Irfan and others, log in from your laptop. Okay.
So I think tomorrow they'll have a Canva. I'll teach them background lighting, things like this. So next time you see them somewhere, in fact, you'll see them taking sessions. So you will notice everything is on, everything is set. Yeah. We'll take one more, right?
Please.
I'll also just say 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Great.
Fine. I got it. Okay.
Thank you, Dr. Shahid. Thank you, Irfana. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much, Aditya. We owe you.
Thank you.
And